Hey guys, tonight you're working on the even numbers, and all even numbers are multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. You're using your notes that you had today, and plus your chart on your reference chart. So let's begin. Here you're going to go from inches to feet. I'm going to write up here. I know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. If I go to foot to inches, it's multiplied by 12. Inches to feet, I'm going to divide that by 12. So 72 divided by 12. And we did this one, and so you would have this in your journal. I know that it'll be 6, not 7, but 6 times 12 equals 72. So the answer is 6. The next one, and remember, if you do all the problems, you get 10 points extra credit on your quiz on Friday. So 4, I'm going from inches to feet, and remember, you're using your star reference sheet. Here we go. And this is here, and so you see that you're going from inches to feet or foot to inches, and I know that there's 1 foot equals 12 inches. Just like here, I'm going backwards, so I'm going to divide. So it's divided by 12. So 132 divided by 12, and that's 11, because 11 times 12 equals 132. Number 6, yards to feet. So I know that for 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. When I move forward, I'm multiplying, go backwards, I divide. So yards to feet, I'm going to multiply that by 3. 46 times 3, and that'll equal to 138. You'll need to show your work, so make sure that you're understanding what you're doing. Number 8, now look at this one here. You have yards and feet, so I'm going from feet to yards. I know that that's 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. I'm going to work backwards, because that's going to be divide. But I have to go to feet, but I'm not going to actually do that. I need to multiply, because I have to look at what I've got. So here I have 24 yards. So that's going to be times 3. So 24 times 3 is going to be 72. And then I have these 2 feet left over, so I'm going to add that to it, and my answer is equal to 74. All right. The next one over here is going to be 10. I'm going to compare my inequalities. Less than, greater than, or equal. 2 miles is equal to 3,526 yards. Well, we did this one in class when I'm going to get my journal, when we did miles and yards, right? And so I said that you'll be multiplying that by 1,760. So 2 times 1,760 is 3,520. So here I'm going to be multiplying this times 1,760, and that's going to equal to the 3,520. So I'm going to use my less than symbol. Going to number 12. This is miles to feet. Well, remember, we can't just jump through. I have to go from miles to feet, so I got to go miles to yards first. And so I'm going to have my miles So 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. And remember, I got that right here, miles to yards. So if I have 5, I need to multiply that by 1,760. So when I'm multiplying that part out, I end up getting, my product is 8,800 yards. And make sure that you show your work. And now I need to change yards. So if I have 1 yard, it's equal to 3 feet. So I need to change it to feet. So I'm going to multiply that by 3. And then my total that I get when I multiply that out, and make sure that you do the work, is equal to 26,400. So this is going to be greater than. So you see how I went step by step. I need you to make sure you pause the video, do the first computation, then start the video again, do the second computation, so that you can see what you're doing is correct. Question number 14, 27 feet and inches. So I know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. I'm going to multiply. So this is multiplying this by 3. 27 feet. What did I say? Multiplied by 3. I'm delusional here. It's multiplied by 12 times 12. No idea where the 3 came from. It just, my mind drifted to something else. So 27 times 12. So I've already done the work. I need you to do the work. So that is, I have 324. I want to see your work that you've done that. So this is going to be equal. All right. And this last one, a prickly pear cactus is 1 yard tall, and a yucca plant is 35 inches. Which plant is taller? All right, so I'm going to write this out. I have the prickly pear. It's 1 yard. And I need to compare that to the yucca plant. And that's 35 inches. Which plant is taller? So I need to go from, and I'm going to pull my little chart here, yards to inches, but I can't jump straight up. I need to go from yards to feet, feet to inches. So I know that from going from yards to feet, I need to multiply that by 3. So I'm coming over here, and I'm going to have this, I'll put this here, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So this is actually going to be equals 3 feet. And now I'm going to have 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So now I'm going to multiply this by 12. So this will make it 36 inches. And the yucca plant is 35. So which one is greater? So I'm going to put the prickly pear cactus is greater than, because that's 36, than the yucca plant, which is 35. Okay, those are the ones that you're required to do this evening. Have a great evening. Make sure you show your work. Bye.